Hi guys, as promised, I'm doing this short video to teach you how to do the cranial massage, the craniosacral massage or the head massage that your yoga teacher might have done to you at the end of the class during Savasana. This is very beneficial to allow you to relax deeper and just forget about your to-do list and forget about what you have to do after the class. We're usually guilty, all of us, even I, to think about what we have to do next and just forget that we are still in Savasana, still in yoga class, and we are still able to fully relax. So this is why we do this cranial massage, but you don't have to do it at the end of your practice. You can do it at any time of the day when you feel the need to just recenter, to just go within and release the stress of your work, of your social life. You can just take a 5-minute break, come back to this video, and just practice the self-massage. Before we get started, find a comfortable position, whether it's sitting on a chair, on your block, or straight on your yoga mat. Straight back, roll your shoulders away from your ears, drop your hands to your knees, and allow yourself to close your eyes, press pause on your work, on your social media, and just start to breathe deeply through your nose, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Inhale and exhale. In and out. Just allow yourself to feel the rise and fall of your abdomen, of your lungs expanding as you inhale, and then emptying out as you exhale. In, expanding, and out, emptying. Breathe in, relaxation, and breathe out, stress. Breathe in and out. When you feel a little bit more calm and you're ready to move forward, bring your hands and your fingers to the top of your head, your big finger just above your ears, and start to apply soft pressure onto your scalp. Massaging either by pressure or doing small circular motions with your fingers at the top of your head and back of your head. Slowly massaging, feeling the sensations that arise with this movement. Feeling your brain, your mind a little bit more calm with each breath and each circular motion. Take your time, and when you're ready to move forward, take your index finger and your middle finger together to your third eye chakra, the space between your eyebrows, and run your fingers on your eyebrows to the other side of your eyebrows to your temples. Breathe in, take your fingers back to your third eye chakra, and breathe out, run your fingers to the other side of your eyebrows to your temple. In the middle, and then out. Back at the center, and out. Allow yourself now to take your fingers just a little bit up and out, just above your eyebrows. And with each breath, go a little bit up, above, to the upper side of your forehead, and then to the outer sides of your forehead, back to your temples. From your third eye chakra up toward the upper side of your forehead, and then outer sides to your temples. Continue to do this movement for as long as it feels comfortable, as long as it feels calming, relaxing, as long as it feels good. And when you've reached the upper side of your forehead and back to your temples, just allow yourself to stay there. And again, do small circular motions on your temples, allowing yourself to relax even deeper and focus on the sensations in your temples. When you're ready to move on to another part of your body, another massage, bring your fingers down and just below your ears, just behind your ears. Again, do some circular motion here and feel this massage. You can also bring your fingers down to the base of your neck, to the outer side of your neck, then back up and down, then back up and down towards your heart, back to behind your ears towards the base of your neck. Great, feel how it feels. To move further, and before we finish this practice, bring both of your hands to the base of your neck onto your trapezius, just above between your shoulders and your neck. Place the palm of your hands on your trapeze, your fingers on your upper back, elbows together at the front of your heart, and just apply pressure there. Compress your hands together and then release. Press your hands and fingers and then release. Compress your trapeze and release. And again, feeling a little bit more relaxed, a little bit calmer, a little bit more at peace, and away from the stress from your day, from your month, from your year. Just right now, feeling comfortable and relaxed in this moment. In this present moment, everything is right, everything is good. Everything feels good here. Massaging your upper back, your upper shoulders, just as long as it feels good. And when you're ready to finish this practice, just release your hands to your knees as you would do in meditation. And allow yourself to sit still for a little while longer. Just breathing in deeply through your nose and out through your nose as we did in the beginning. Just allowing yourself to feel this inner state of bliss, this inner state of relaxation, complete calm, surrounded by positive energy. And remember that this state of inner relaxation, of inner peace, is always available to you when you need it. Just allow yourself to take a 5-minute break and come back to this short 5-minute practice for yourself. When you can no longer control what goes on outside, just focus on what goes on inside. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, allow yourself to open your eyes back with a soft gaze towards your day and your surroundings. If it feels good, just stay like this, sitting, enjoying the last few moments of peace, of relaxation, before you go on about your day. Namaste. And just remember that you can save this video. You can come back to this video whenever you need it. Feel free to share it with your friends and to comment and let me know how it felt. If you did it at a moment when you really needed to take a step down and just relaxed and it felt good, just let me know and make my day. Bye.